Hey man, back again on another series, man, of the truth of faith in life. Yeah, dwelling with I Zeb, man, the ancient one, Jaina Mkazel, mortal prophet, Naki, the Farmike. Yeah, man. Okay, no, we come closer, man, to the truth as we trot. Welcome you to trot with me. To the far lands, yeah, see, since the knowledge is eternal, we shall seek it till we die. Mighty. So siya kwabaseroman yabo, ya xa singena kwabaseroman ichapter yakhona ngu-3 yabo, but ke ngoku sizawuthatha uverse 29 yabo qha ndifuna yanzuba mde yabo. Okay, kuthiwa apha, or is God the God of the Jews? So ke ngoku xa sibeka ngokwalapha ekhaya sithemos ugod sizambeka ecaleni because umlungu uyasiconfyusa ngala magama, uzawusenza silahlekelwe imessage ethethwa ngala madoda ebalulekileyo. So sizawuthi ingaba umdali ngoweJews kuphela, is not the creator of the Gentiles. So substitute ke lawe kaGod, khumbula. Okay, is not the creator also for the Gentiles? Yes, of the Gentiles also, since the creator is one. Yabo? Hey man, kama sike sibamba pause kancinci. Sure. So sorry for that, man. Okay, we back ne said okay. Yes, of course. Yes, of the Gentiles also, since the creator is one. Yabo, simsubstitute uGod wena xa uzifundela uzasifakela uGod wakho yabo. Asifuni ba confused kule channel. We are here to set things straight according to what is written and according to what we find to be true. Each man find his own truth. You're le nto ubona wonke umuntu insane about outside. So you can consider me insane or whatever, you see? But I'm insane on my own space, and I'm proud to be insane because I found there are a lot of people who are proud to be insane out there, while I'm still worried that hey, people will think that hey, this man is insane. People are enjoying life out there. So why must I punish myself for the whole 120 years if I'm gonna live the full 120 years or gonna be miserable? No, this is about me now in this time. So let us try together, you wise one. So apha la madoda ayaphikisana because the other one finds no, the creator is not only for the Jews. Yabo? It's not only for the Africans or for the Western man, but the creator is one for all. This is the secret now. You see? If they tell you a church that no, because you are a Muslim, you see, all others who are not in the Muslim sect, they are not worshipping the creator, yeah, well, because since you consider creator to be Allah, so they can, because in the other churches it's not known as Allah now. Okay, they are not worshipping the creator and all that stuff. You see? If it is like that, my brother, find out yourself. They might be right 50%, they might be wrong 50%, because even in a church, not everyone is practicing righteousness, what they talk about, even though they talk all of them. So all I'm saying, you will never go out there and find no one. There will be someone, you see, my brother, whom you will find that no, this brother is preaching the same doctrine and holding the same value and norms as I am, but we are different here and there. Because remember, the truth is 360 degrees as the light. So you are seeing it maybe from 90 angle. Me, I'm seeing it from 120 angle. You see? But if we are talking of the same thing, we will see that we are talking about the sun together. So the truth got that common trend within it, where you will find, and even if the common trend that you guys have, it's a lie, time will reveal it. That's why I like to consider time as an entity, you see, because through time, things become. Through time, things be. And through time, things are not, or become not, or extinct. Whatever we see here, that's why people, they busy writing, doing things, they try to keep the memory alive. But through time, time will erase it without miss. Just like us, we don't know people who came in 3 billion years ago, the civilization that we got no, we don't even have a clue. Even us will be erased to this time, to the near future to come. Yes. But we must find this truth while we are still here. That you can be an Indian, Chinese, whatever race you can be. No matter the whole race symbolize maybe destruction. But among you, there are those whom we can say, if your character is to destroy, there are those who are metamorphosized and they become mutants. There are mutants among you, those who feel righteousness, who are one with righteousness. Those who know that whoever created the tree in Africa is the same one who created the tree in America. We can never be confused. Regardless if America is another place, just like Islam it's another sect, Christianity is another sect, Buddhism is another sect, but whoever rules created the place that all these things are and give life to all is one. This is the secret here. And this is what most of the children of light, they need to see. I'm not talking of church. That's why ngafuna ukuthetha ndibe ndibeka in a bazalwanistic form, because bakhona abantu who are righteous who are not going to church. Sasinabo mama bethu who know, nomakazi who know that hayi inhliziyo kamakazi inhle. Abanye bayabazi utata bayukhohlakela utata kuthi kuthi uyokhohlakela utata, you know ukhohlakala by is to be evil, cruel. You see, there are beings like that, beings of darkness, beings who like that energy. They are controlled, they live because of it, they move. You see, so us, we are not that thing. You see, we are not one with that energy. That's why the brothers try to stress very much here and say to this one, hey, who is speaking to, that no man, the creator is not only for the Jews. This one, they are lying to you. They said, Allah is only for the Muslims. Yeah, but whoever that word Allah you ascribe to, if you said God, whoever, if you ascribe it to the one who bring all things into manifestation of existence, you are talking of the same thing. Unless if you tell you are talking of another entity that came, maybe fell from another planet and then start a religion and then become the god of that religion, then that entity can be excluded its own thing among us. Muslim, let's say mhlambi akhonza, let's say if even stone entity that came from planet Mars, yabo, to priest to keep that secret, these ones will be known mhlambi the stone church, yabo, or Stonians, abantu ababelieve ku-stone, yabo. So these of stones are not created or believe in the creation or on the same creator as these ones who are native, even though they were native themselves, but because they taken now the religion of stone, which said the stone is the creator, stone is he who gives life. And others will know that no, even stone is moving among us as another being, regardless if he's advanced than us, you see, but he's a being also. So definitely stone cannot be the one who manifests things, but stone can be connected with the one who manifests things and work for the one who manifests things. This is the secret that we must all get, as those who see the light, those who work for the light, those who like righteousness, and those who find themselves resonate with what is good. Yes, we must leave the emblems, my brother. Leave the church emblems. Leave the club, brother. Yes, when we meet there in the street, we are not talking about ZCC, we are not talking about Zion, we are not talking about the Catholic Church, we are not talking about the Universal Church. We are no. We are talking with you, to you, the mind and the flesh and the spirit that lives and was created and was connected also. We are talking to you. But also remember, which almost state is in this time we are in a fallen state. So man has fallen. Don't misconfuse that thing. We are in a fallen state, so we need also to get to the original state qala. Meaning if by observer we are using most the biblical way of understanding, ne? So if we observe it in that way that says Adam and Eve is the original man, we will say we need to be like Adam. This is how we before we can enter the kingdom, we need to be like Adam. We are seeing, yeah, that's what the book is talking more about. Regardless what my opinion may be deep conceptually what it is or how we must observe it this way, but this is how the book says when I summarize it on its own. We are seeing, yeah, give thanks and praise. So next time we must know, man, the creator is one. So if you come with that thing that said, okay, this is a Rasta man, how can we listen to Rasta man while you are a Christian? You are lost, my brother. You are not here. You are not in Rome. Rome 3 29 to 30, it tells you the creator is one, my brother. You see, yeah. So unless if God law is another is someone else who was created and live among us, okay? You see, then was choose the Jews, then the creator will never be one because God will be the creator of the Jews only. But so far as we see here, he is not the creator of the Jews only. So that's why ndisithi kufaneleke basibeke into ethi the creator sisuse God, because we don't even know what the God they are talking about. God akho gama pha. Who is God? Is it Zeus? Is it Hades? Is it who? Yeah, but which God is this one they talk about? Is it Jehovah God? They must write kaloku, but Jehovah God is Jesus, the God, is the God of the Jew of what? Yeah, see, then maybe they can start getting to talk real and we know which one are we talking about. But now so far we are talking of the creator. Yeah, see. Blessed love.